गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीजच्या वुमन्स विंग गोवान टेक्नॉलॉजी अ क्रिएटिंग टेक अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम शेनवारा पणजे घडोवन हाडलो. टेक्नॉलॉजी असोसिएशनाच्या सहकार्यान आणि टेंजेंटिया इंडिया आणि टेक्नॉलॉजीज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेडच्या योगदानान टेक्नॉलॉजी अ क्रिएटिंग टेक अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम शेनवारा GCCIच्या सुरेंद्र बाबू टिमलो कन्व्हेन्शन हॉल पणजी हांगा जालो.
The world is moving at such a fast pace and technology often gets outdated very fast. So I'm glad that expert resource faculties from different parts of not only Goa but also India will be sensitizing our women community group, women entrepreneurs to such kind of developments that are happening. Now associated with technology comes another very important topic is cyber security, because we are seeing time and again every day there are cyber attacks happening on businesses which the entrepreneurs need to be sensitive about. So a lot of important topics are going to be discussed. I think I would like to congratulate the women's wing of Goa Chamber led by Asha Arondekar for taking such initiatives, and I would strongly urge them to continue such educative sessions so that the community at large, and that's what is the whole purpose of Chamber of Commerce, is apart from policy advocacy also to keep on educating and sensitizing our members to all the recent developments that are happening, not only within the Indian economy but also the global economy. Because today 2 or 3 things that you can't avoid is technology advancements, climate change and sustainability. How much ever we may laugh at it and we may use it in our cocktail parties to say that the climate is changing, it will affect your generation and the next generation. It's already affecting. I don't know how many of you all read, Dubai was flooded last night. It was flooded so badly that the city was paralyzed. The entire city had to close down because they are not geared up for things like this. So anything can happen anywhere, and we need to be abreast and we need to be aware of in our own businesses how do we really contribute to climate change and sustainability. And the third thing that is required here is you as leaders, because all of you are leaders, you are women entrepreneurs, and women get a completely different perspective to business. I have always been saying this, that if we have to keep pace with developments in a nation, you can't ignore women development. And I'm so glad that so many women today have not only started their own business, they are in top positions, whether it's in academics, whether it is in business, whether it is in other sectors, and it's very important, even in technology, that women don't fall behind.
We organized this program because on behalf of the GCCI Women's Wing, because more and more women are coming into entrepreneurship and we want them to sensitize with the latest and be updated with the latest trends in IT, in technology, because today even if a normal tender, if it's a government tender or if it's a defense tender, we still use online facilities. Everything is gone online. Everything is now artificial intelligence has come into picture. ChatGPT we are using, but not everybody is still using these kind of platforms. So we wanted to educate everybody basic with this, and this is a series that we have started and we will have many more to come.
GTA had the same foresight, and we have created the women's wing of GTA. And I'm happy to say that even in my company we have a lot of women participants, and they have encouraged me to stand for you and to even participate in GTA.
GOA365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी.